Okay, so now let's say that you are given the start time and the end time, and you're asked to find the elapsed time. So you're looking to find how much time has passed. So again, we're using a T-chart. So I'm going to start with my hours first. I am shown 12:05. So I'm going to write 12:05 under my start. All right, now elapsed time's not given to me. So I have to count by hours until I get to the 2 o'clock hour. So from 12:05 to 1:05 would be 1 hour. Then 1:05 to 2:05 would be 2 hours. Now you have to be careful, because if I were to count another hour, what time would I be at? I would be at 3:05, which is past my end time. So I'm going to stop my hours there. Now I'm going to carry over to the minutes. Okay, so I stopped at 2:05. And now I'm going to count my minutes. Now again, you can count by fives, you can count by tens. In this case, I'm going to count by tens because tens do tend to go a little quicker. So 10 minutes from 2 o'clock would be 5 plus 10 would be 15. So it would be 2:15, and I counted by 10 minutes. Alrighty. Now I need to get to 2:58. So I'm going to watch carefully to make sure I don't go over. So 10 minutes plus 2:15 would be 2:25 plus 10 minutes plus 10 more minutes would be 2:35 plus 10 more minutes would be 2:35 plus 10 would be 2:45. Okay, now I'm getting close to it, so I'm going to check to make sure I can still do it. So 10 more minutes from 45, I can, and that would take me to 2:55, but I cannot go any more. I can't do any more 10 minutes because that would get me past to the next hour. And I know that I'm not going past 2:58. So now I'm going to go by single digits, single minutes. All right, so from 2:55 to 2:58. So I can count in my head. So 55, 56, 57, 58. 3 minutes. All right, now I still have a job to do. I still need to find what my elapsed time is going to be. So now I'm going to add up my hours and my minutes. So let's see. From 12:05 to 1:05, I had 1 hour. 1:05 to 2:05, I had 2 hours. So 2 hours have passed. Now I'm going to count my minutes. So 2:05 to 2:15, 10 minutes. 2:15 to 2:25, 10. 2:25 to 2:35, 10. 2:35 to 2:45, another 10 minutes. 2:45 to 2:55, another 10 minutes. Then from 2:55 to 2:58 is 3 minutes. So now let's count up our minutes. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 plus 3 is 2 hours and 53 minutes. Oh, I cannot type today. So 2 hours and 53 minutes is the amount of time that has passed. So that is how you solve to find the elapsed time with given start time and end time.